little pointless video, but this is how to use a rotary phone. So first, pick up the thingy, listen for the dial tone. Then, let's say you want to dial, oh, I don't know. I'll just dial a number right now. So, nowadays you need area codes, so different area codes of your area, area codes that aren't your area, you need to put a 1. So you do that, and let's call this number. So 1, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 7. And then the call happens as normally. And that is how to use a rotary phone. For all those millennials out there, you should thank me. I'm probably one